Hello everyone, welcome to the Pretty Pink Posh January 2018 release as well as their birthday celebration. I was so excited to be asked to be a guest designer for them, so I thought I would film, a little release and review video showing just the products in addition to making things with this stuff. So first off is this absolutely adorable birthday scene stamp set. This is so cute. I think it's just adorable. So it's it's about almost 3 3/4 inches wide by about 2.5 inches high. So it'll kind of take like the center stage on an A2 size card, and I think it's adorable. I love the little characters. I love all our Pretty Pink Posh's little characters, and then of course you got the balloons and whatnot. I just think it's so fun, and I love how it's happy birthday on the banner. This little hedgehog, isn't that adorable? So yeah, there's that one. And they have these really cute, this is the Cupid Friends set, another little, mini set with 2 adorable little Cupid images. A little flying one and then one sitting in a cloud. Happy Valentine's Day. I love Pretty Pink Posh's sentiments. And then some cute little hearts, outline and solid. And then a coordinating die set that will die cut the images as well as the cluster of hearts. So you can use them for both because they're the same size, just one's an outline, one's a solid. Love, love. And then we have the Love Shaker die, which I'm really excited about because they did Joy and Smile. So now we have Love, and I love. Yeah, I'm really saying a lot. It's Valentine's themed. What else can I say? I love their shaker dies with the word, and then they have like the fancy scallops and whatnot. They lend themselves to, you can make little ornaments, make fun little shakers, etc. They're just cute, and I think they're absolutely adorable. So there's that one now. And then we've got, that goes with this. We have, let's put that there, a sentiment set. So we have the Love sentiments. So yeah, love you always, love is a beautiful thing, I'll be loving you forever, you are loved, we're better together, I heart you, hello gorgeous, all my love. And then all these hearts. I love this set because you can use that with any images, like you can use them with these images if you want, or any other characters, etc. Like, they're great. And then just add a few hearts and you can pretty much turn any image into like a Valentine theme if you wanted. So I love that. I love that. And then we have the Hello Friend script die, another one that I think is fabulous. I like their font of their word dies, and I can never have enough. I feel like such a broken record all the time, but it's true. I just love the font of theirs. And these are 2 separate dies, so you could use just the hello or just the friend, hello friend, or use it and then stamp a little sentiment, etc. So yeah, like birthday wishes friend, like love. So that one. It was this really cute birthday friends stamp set with their cute little people. The Pretty Pink Posh people, I like how they're all consistent across all the stamp sets, so you can mix and match them. And I don't know what it is. There's just something about them that I think is absolutely adorable. So you've got your little boy and little girl with their hands out, so you can add little balloons, or if you wanted, you can add a little gift that they're holding. You can also add, from other sets, little flowers, whatever. So they could even be like holding each other's hands almost, whatever. Then we've got, the cake. We've got 2 little characters, one holding a present, one holding a little cake, and then separate little birthday hats. These will come in handy with other sets too, because you could add these to anything. So you got that one. Coordinating die set to die cut all of these images. So I really like that as well. And then last but not least, we have the Storybook 6 wafer die set. This is a smaller-ish altogether. It's, well, from stitch line to stitch line, it's 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. From cut line to cut line, it's about 3.5. So 3.5 by 2.5, and it cuts out 4 windows, and you can, add in little characters, etc. Die cut this and then use those as shaker elements, etc. Pretty Pink Posh is great with those. So yeah, this is Storybook 6, so there have been several other ones released before this. I always like to see what all the other designers do with these, and then I'm like, oh, fun. So many ideas. So many ideas. So there's that. And last but not least, of course, there's some fun sequin mixes. We have the Oh, these aren't labeled. These are rose gold. I'll have the actual links in the description box below the video and on my blog, but these look like rose gold heart confetti. I love the size of these. These are pretty. Aren't those pretty? So we have that one. And then we have the Party Time Mix. I like this color combo. It's like a navy, soft navy, and then kind of a goldy color, and then pink. Really pretty. Really pretty. And then we have this fun Northwest mix. So kind of like grays and silvers. Oh, there's some little clear baubles. And we got like kind of an orangey color, green, blue. Really like that. Very good for like masculine cards too. Really like that. And then last but not least, we have this awesome iridescent heart mix. There are, looks like at least three different sizes in here. There's little tiny heart confetti, and then some medium sized ones, and then some larger. I always love when there's like at least three sizes of something. It just looks more cohesive. So I like a lot. I really like this. So pretty. So pretty. So that is the Pretty Pink Posh January 2018 release. Okay, before I officially end the video, I wanted to add, there's actually more to this release than what I showed here. There's an adorable, I think it's a petunia set, I'm not sure. There's a floral set and this really pretty hummingbird set. That's what I know of. So I will have links to the entire release as well as like what I've shown, what I didn't show, etc. in the description box below the video. There'll be tons of fabulous inspiration from the Pretty Pink Posh design team, plus a bunch of us are doing a blog hop. So I did get a chance to use this super cute love shaker that I was talking about earlier. Isn't it fabulous? It's got the stitching along. So I will have that in a separate video. So check out the description box below the video as well as my blog post. And I will see you all very soon in another video.